Hi, I'm Yamin Lu from Myanmar. Okay, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a membership system and how to connect the course and user using user meter plugin and then WooCommerce plugin to sell our courses. Okay, here is testing website and then here my course. This is sample course for this tutorial. Here are the content. Okay, now let we start to install plugin called user meter. Okay, that's why I will go to dashboard and then plugin, add new. After that, I will search and install user meter plugin. Okay, here I will paste user meter. Okay, this plugin I will install. This is very simple plugin for X. Okay, after install this plugin, I will make activate and then we will start using this plugin. Okay, now we already activate the plugin to our website, so I will click settings. We will make sure setting for us. Okay, here is no profile page and then no login page, so I will create login page. So this plugin will create automatically login page for us. So I will make sure view page. Here is login. This is we are already login. That's why no information show here. Okay, go back to the plugin, and then we can make the setting for user login. User can log in with their username or email. This is the best option for me. And then we will make reset password page. So click on create page. This will automatically create. Okay, after that, oh, I need to select again here and then save changes. So we already set up for reset password page and login page. So I will see view page. Okay, so here is our reset password page. Very simple. Okay, I will close. So in here profile page session, I will use LeanDash profile page. So here we not set it yet for LeanDash profile page. That's why I will save changes for make sure, and then I will go to pages, add new, title is my PR finally my profile. After that, here is LeanDash shortcode profile. Okay, insert shortcode and then publish. Okay, click on view page for make sure. Here is our profile page. Very simple, very easy. Okay, I will go back. So I will select profile page in user meter. That's why I will go to user meter setting, and then here is my profile. I will select it. Okay, so save changes. Done. So here we already set up for profile page and then login page and password reset page. Okay, here is we need to create more pages for registration. That's why I will go to the forms to create user registration form. I will click on add new, and then here is form name. I will give the name registrar. No, I will give the name registration. REGISTRT registration, and then I will add custom fields. We can make it here. Click on WordPress for fees, then I will choose username. Automatically add here username, and then email, password. Okay, and then a nudge, because this is very simple register form. Okay, that's why we will collect data for username, and then email, and then password. So I will click on retype password for confine password. After that, I will save changes. Okay, so go back to the forms. Here is our form. So I will use this shortcode for our registration page. So select, oh sorry, okay, so select and copy, go to the page, and then add new. Here REGISTRT registration, and then I will paste the shortcode here. Click publish. After that, I will make the setting here, user media and settings for the registration tab, and then choose registration pages we created. Okay, and then save changes.